Hey, if you want to get your music on Apple Music, DistroKid makes it super easy. You can release your tracks on over 150 platforms and keep 100% of your earnings. First, sign up for DistroKid and pick the plan that's best for you. Every plan comes with unlimited uploads. If you want to set a custom release date, go with the Musician Plus or Ultimate plan. Now it's time to upload. Hit Upload Music and pick where you want us to send your music, like Apple Music, Spotify, and TikTok. Not sure what you need to have ready to upload? No worries. Check out our release checklist. Now you can set your release date. And add your album art. Next, add your track title, any collaborators you want to credit, and of course, the track itself. Our upload form makes it easy, and you can preview your release at the bottom of the page before it goes live. If everything looks good, hit continue. Now your music is on its way to Apple Music and all the other platforms you selected. We'll tell you when your music is live, and while you wait, you can check out all of our free promo tools. Once your music is out there, we'll collect your earnings from streams, and you can cash out by going to the bank page on our site or mobile app. That's it. To start releasing with DistroKid, just click the link in the description. Subscribe for more tips on sharing your music with the world.